Welcome to LuxMed, a testament to the Make in India mission, a global force redefining healthcare. Proprietary designs disclaimer: LuxMed all product and engineering solutions are proprietary designs for software, control, operational process, color, electronics design, shelves arrangement, physical constructions and form factor. ETO Sterilizer, sterilize critical moisture or heat-sensitive items. ETO sterilization low-temperature, sterilization methods. Ethylene oxide, ETO, is a common gas used for low-temperature sterilization. It is a colorless, poisonous gas that attacks the cellular proteins and nucleic acids of microorganisms. It is most commonly used to sterilize instruments with long lumens such as endoscopes and all materials that have to be sterilized but cannot withstand higher temperature. ETO process temperatures from 25 to 55 degrees Celsius are used. A lower temperature results in a less efficient process which leads to a longer exposure time. ETO sterilization should be used only when another method is not appropriate. Advantages of ETO are: low temperature, high efficiency, destroys microorganisms including resistant spores, large sterilizing volume/chamber capacity, non-corrosive to plastic, metal and rubber materials. Disadvantages are: excessively long cycle, safety concerns, carcinogenic to humans, toxicity issues, toxic residues on surgical instruments and tubing, not recommended for flexible scope. ETO is flammable, requires special room conditions, safety equipment and separate ventilation system, relatively high annual costs for maintenance, servicing and consumables. ETO sterilization cycle. There are at least 3 stages in a typical ETO sterilization cycle: preconditioning, sterilization, aeration, degassing. Cycle time is usually more than 14 hours. High speed, 30% extra capacity. Advanced proprietary one-touch control program. Data management, through built-in printer and computer interface. Built-in boiler to store steam storage. Double vacuum pump operation fast provides fastest degassing and preconditioning process. Safe manual operation. LuxMed trays have 40% more capacity than our competitors' trays. Double vacuum pump and standalone operation. Built-in compressor for pneumatic operation. Sturdy gasket design gives easy locking and sealing door for vacuum process. Pneumatic ETO injection process. Ergonomic handle design for ease of operation. Extra strong door hinges for long life operation. Easy adjustment for door hinges for future adjustment and repairs. Advanced one-touch key access for control panel and user integrative indication for ETO operation. Built-in backup unit to indicates the sterilization process during the power off/interrupted power supply. Built-in humidifier unit provides quick humidity process during degassing. Built-in 8 program and prefix options to hassle-free operations. Hospital sterilizer machine is used to sterilize by selecting above program directly through one-touch control point. Plastic products that are used for medical and surgical procedures. Devices that absorb electronic components. Temperature-sensitive materials that get damaged at higher temperatures. Materials that are not compatible with other sterilization methods such as steam sterilization. Long-lasting autoclave SS316L stainless steel chamber. Door stainless steel mirror finish. Built-in thermal printer for printed process data. Computer interface for live data monitoring and process graph plot. ETO sterilizer machine features. Automatic cycle progression is feasible in ETO sterilizer through vacuum, exposure, sterilizing, and aerating phases. The control panel screen indicates specific phases in the sterilization process. Negative pressure of chamber prevents the gas from entering into operating area. Strict control of vacuum, temperature of chamber, exposure, aeration time, etc. for effective performance. A leak test function eliminates any leakage possibility in ETO sterilizer. Chamber and cabinet made of the finest quality stainless steel. Aeration system safeguards the operator from exposure to EO gas. The automation hardware, PLC, CE approved, Class 1 DIV 2 Groups ABCD, 24 months warranty. Starts from the date of installation and commissioning done from our end. ETO sterilizer advantages. It effectively maintains low temperature, which is ideal for the sterilization process. It is highly efficient for destroying microorganisms, including resistant spores. It effectively sterilizes a wide range of metals, polymers, resins, and natural materials. It offers a large sterilizing volume capacity. It is non-corrosive to metal, plastic and rubber materials. It is suitable for humidity-sensitive devices too. It is a versatile, effective and safe method for sterilizing a wide range of products. Applications. Fully automatic ETO sterilizers are versatile and can be used in a variety of applications. Some of the common applications of fully automatic ETO sterilizers include medical devices. Fully automatic ETO sterilizers are commonly used to sterilize a wide range of medical devices such as surgical instruments, endoscopes, and implantable devices. Pharmaceuticals/pharmacy laboratories. Fully automatic ETO sterilizers are used to sterilize a wide range of pharmaceutical products such as injectable solutions, tablets, and capsules. Food industry. Fully automatic ETO sterilizers are used to sterilize food products such as spices, seasonings, and dried fruits. Cosmetics and personal care products. Fully automatic ETO sterilizers can be used to sterilize cosmetics, personal care products, and other consumer goods. Laboratory equipment. Fully automatic ETO sterilizers can be used to sterilize laboratory equipment such as petri dishes, test tubes, and other lab instruments. Industrial equipment. Fully automatic ETO sterilizers can also be used to sterilize industrial equipment such as filters, valves, and other components. Microbiology research and development. Fully automatic ETO sterilizers can be used for sterilization of materials and samples in R&D centers, universities and research institutes. Medical colleges, hospitals and clinics. Fully automatic ETO sterilizers can be used for sterilization of medical instruments and equipments in hospitals and clinics. Ordering information and selection of LuxMed ETO sterilization. Because of its effectiveness at lower temperatures and its compatibility with various materials, ETO sterilization is widely used for the sterilization of medical products. As one of the fastest growing countries, India has adopted many modern, single-use medical devices, surgical threads, surgical trays, procedure kits, synthetic gowns, orthopedic implants, fine surgical instruments. LuxMed, the epitome of healthcare redefined, proudly made in India, serving the global market. ETO Sterilizer, sterilize critical moisture or heat-sensitive items. LuxMed, the epitome of healthcare redefined, proudly made in India, serving the global market.